Welcome back to my kitchen. Today, we will be cooking a velvety smooth, nutritious squash soup. A warm bowl cradled in your hands, vibrant hues of orange dancing with the aromatic embrace of herbs and spices. Here's our ingredients: squash, capsicum, celery, onion, and garlic with parsley, thyme, cumin, paprika, salt, pepper, and chicken broth. Let's start cooking. Into the pan, let's drizzle a little bit of cooking oil and goes a sizzle of onion and garlic, releasing their fragrant embrace into the air. Next is to add the star player, our squash cubes, letting them dance in the golden glow for a couple of minutes until they start to soften. Now, it's time to invite the capsicum and the celery to the party, infusing their freshness into the mix. Next is to sprinkle in our medley of herbs and spices. We let them mingle, enhancing each other's essence with every stir. As the aromas deepen and the veggies start to caramelize at the bottom of the pot, we pour in rich, savory chicken broth, letting it envelope our ingredients in a warm embrace. Once our veggies are tender and the flavors have melded into the symphony of perfection, we transfer our creation into a deep pot. With the gentle whir of an immersion blender, we transform this medley into a velvety elixir of comfort. A quick taste test to ensure the balance of flavors, adjusting with a pinch of salt or a dash of seasoning as needed. Then, we let our soup simmer, allowing the flavors to deepen and evolve into something truly magical. And there you have it, our squash soup, simmered to perfection and ready to warm your body and soul. Ladle it into your favorite soup bowls, garnish with a flourish of parsley, and let its comforting embrace carry you away to a world of culinary delight. So grab a spoon, cozy up, and let's savor our simple joys with every spoonful of this nourishing squash soup. Until next time, everyone, happy